During the High Court hearing on the plea against WhatsApp's new privacy policy, the centre said that the opt-out option to not share data with Facebook has been given to European users of WhatsApp, but not to Indian users. And this is a matter of grave concern. While the government expressed concerns regarding privacy issues, the court asks all to wait for WhatsApp to respond to this particular point raised by the Government of India. Nilashish Chaudhary, Times Network correspondent, joining me on the phone line. Nilashish, this is a valid point, and this is something that the government has raised earlier as well, with the top officials of WhatsApp saying why should there be a discriminatory policy, why the preferential treatment to European countries. Explain to us the context of it all and the exact point raised by the central government in the High Court hearing.
Well, the High Court was hearing a matter which had been filed challenging the updated WhatsApp privacy policy. Now, during the hearing, the centre, as you rightly pointed out, was of the opinion that it is a matter of concern that there is a differential treatment being meted out to European Union users as compared to their Indian counterparts. The Indian users are being given an all-or-nothing approach, and that is something that the government is worried about. Of course, the government has expressed its concerns regarding privacy issues also in the court itself today, and said that they have asked WhatsApp for a response and clarifications regarding its privacy policy, and that is something that they are waiting on at this point. Of course, the senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, who's appearing for WhatsApp, also said that they are contemplating their response, and that response will be given in the coming days. Now, another very significant aspect of this is that the High Court, while hearing this entire matter, was asking whether it can issue any sort of directions to the government to frame guidelines regarding not sharing information with third-party users as far as the data collected from WhatsApp users is concerned. The High Court also said that that the application is also a private application, and the users are free to delete it or not download the application. And that is something that the High Court was still not, having considered that the High Court was not willing to issue notice in this matter as of now, especially given the fact that the court was informed that WhatsApp is about to respond to the government, and based on what the response is, this matter could be taken ahead even in the court as well as at the level of the government, and that's why the matter has at this point been adjourned to the 1st of March.
Yes, the matter is adjourned to the 1st of March since the court says it's difficult to issue a notice right now. Let WhatsApp first respond. So we'll have to wait for the opinion to come out of WhatsApp on this particular point that has been raised by the Government of India. Following that only, there can be a possible intervention. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Nilesh.